Now let me show you how quick and easy it is to put this together. First thing you want to do with the ground chuck is season it. So we're using some of our SPG, at least use some salt and pepper. You know all about that. Mix it up well into the ground chuck, and then make yourself some meatballs, right? Maybe tennis ball size, or whatever size you want. Now, this is the magic. We're going to take slices of this deli roast beef, and we're going to drench them in some barbecue sauce. And, of course, use your favorite barbecue sauce, right? Oh, get it all over them slices. Just like that. Now, why? Well, a lot of you meatball aficionados know a moist meatball is difficult to do. Well, this is how you get a moist meatball. You take your thumb, make some dimples in there, right? And then you put a slice of your sauce-drenched deli roast beef and put one inside, just like that. Now, take some of your favorite cheese, get it in there, and then you're going to reform your ball. It's going to be stuffed inside with cheese and roast beef. I'm telling you, with all that sauce, it's going to make for a very moist meatball. You got to check this out. Works every time. Oh, man. Now, this would be perfect for a, I don't know, say a family picnic. You can do this the night before, get them all set. Or maybe you're going tailgating, make 100 or 2. Oh, perfect. Now, off to the grill. You can do this in the oven in the house, of course, but doing it on a barbecue grill makes it special, right? You're going to add a little of that smoky flavor to this, that special experience. And we're putting them in this grill. The grill is about maybe 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 325, more or less. You don't want to do it hot and fast. Take your time. It'll help keep it moist. Now, during this cook, which might take 40 minutes or so, depending upon how hot your grill is, of course, we're going to mop it, right? Take some of that barbecue sauce, mop those balls, flip them, mop them again. Oh, just the way she likes it. Oh, man. Look at that. Can you smell that? It smells good. And as we say, if you can't, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right. In the miracle of time, these deli beef slice stuffed meatballs are done. Time to take them off the grill. Look at that. Lord have mercy. All right. Now, again, why do we go through this effort? To show you can make a meatball that's nice and moist. So, let's show you inside what we're talking about. Huh? You take your trusty 10-inch butcher, slice it in the middle, and take a look at that. Oh, moist, tender. Are you kidding me? Oh. Now, to get the recipe, head on over to our website. We appreciate your support. And, of course, this is the part where the pit masters are eating and they're running. Next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. It's good.